how to add a screenshot to Claude Code, and I'm going to show you also how you can add it to Claude Code terminal. So firstly, I'm going to add a screenshot to my Claude Code app version. So take a screenshot. I'm on Mac, so Command-Shift-4 and take a screenshot. And now your screenshot is here in right down corner area. You can just grab it and put it here. And if you hover your mouse on that image, it's gonna preview that image and you can work with it. So this is how you can do it in Claude Code app. And in terminal there is also the way, and it's the same way. Just take a screenshot like this, take it and put it here. It's shown as image 1, and I'm gonna ask him what you can see, and he's describing the screenshot so he can actually see and go through that screenshot because it was added here. So that's how you can add a screenshot to Claude Code. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.